If you're like me, I always look forward to creating massive positive energy around my income flow. With constantly lading our psyche with fear-driven thoughts about money, why not shake up the scale and believe something more positively intuitive around money to get those bucks moving toward you instead of away from you? I'm an energy person, and I am a witness to what happens when you think and feel strongly about anything. Truly, it manifests. It has happened many times in my life and in the lives of people very close to me. Whether you realize it or not, it's happening to you too. This takes place for things you want, and don't want. The force that facilitates this phenomenon is pretty neutral. No joke, it really is all up to you. Smile. Nonetheless, there are 5 surefire methods to make sure that you charge yourself in a way that makes you more of a money magnet for instant wealth. Number 1. Stop speaking negatively or fearfully about money. When you do this, you give off energy that says, "I don't deserve money," and conversely, makes it stay away from you even more. Money has no properties other than paper and ink. It's the picture that we have imagined around money, and the emotional attachments that are strongly connected to money or the idea of it, that gives it power. You must change the way you speak about it. Number 2. Change your perception around making money. Most of us think about money from a lack perspective, meaning, we never think we have enough, or maybe we have just enough to get by. Thinking and feeling like this will guarantee that it stays this way. You must begin to have an optimistic and a positively expectant attitude around making, having, creating, and generating money. Number 3. Practice in your mind and body what having money feels like. Depending on your perspective and the way you want to play, this can be exciting or irritating. If you have fun around activities like this, then you create more energy that suggests that money come to you. If you're feeling annoyed because you're looking at the "it's not real" statement that you've imagined by default, then once again, you've fallen into the impoverished conditioning mindset around having money so deeply ingrained in your unconscious. For you, it's going to take a lot of practice to begin believing that it's okay and fun to have money without the neediness that so many of us attach to it. Number 4. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Broke people hang out with each other, and so do wealthy people. Who would you like to learn more from? You pick. When you begin to network, fellowship, and socialize with people who are where you want to be in life, don't you think some of their energy, habits and mannerisms are going to rub off on you? You can change your point of view around people with money so that it becomes more easy to attract them and be around them. Align your energy flow with theirs and watch how easily you'll spark conversation and begin the learning process. All wealthy people aren't jerks. Smile. Number 5. Take daily, consistent and focused action toward your monetary goals. It really benefits you to set goals for yourself, short-term, long-term and lifetime goals. It doesn't matter how large or small your goals are. They simply serve as a flexible roadmap and action plan for arriving at the picture ultimately you see for yourself. Yes, the neutral force that helps you can't deliver money to you, unless you actually implement some kind of inspired action. Get your feet moving. Take at least one step in the direction of your goals every day with a happy and expectant attitude, and this begins the moving of your money manifestations toward you. Start to implement these 5 methods on a regular basis and begin to see really just how easy it is to be in the right place at the right time for your regular paydays. Check out the link in the description below to further help you instantly manifest more money and abundance into your life today.